Hello lovelies! Today we will make a lip balm by two effective methods, DIY lip balm at home. So, first lip method is using the Chakundar and the Desi ghee, and the second lip balm method is Chakundar and the Vaseline and vitamin E oil. So both the methods are very effective. So you don't need to go to outside the home and buy the some costly and very risky lip balms and apply on your lips. So let's get started. For making the lip balm using beetroot, and the ingredient is the ghee. You can use any ghee, any cow ghee. Here I use that type of ghee. And the third is knife. Fourth is to grind the beetroot, we need that. And the fifth is we need the container also to fill our lip balm. So get ready. Okay, so get ready for that. And the first we cut the beetroot as I do it, and then we will extract the juice from the beetroot after grinding it. And we extract the juice, and now we need only half teaspoon of ghee and 2 teaspoon of beetroot juice. After that we will mix it. As you can see, the some lumps are there in the during mixing it in the ghee. So because ghee is a very high consistency, has a very high consistency, so we need to use the lukewarm water. So put the this katori in the liquid water as I do it, and after for the about 2 minutes we will mix it. And after that take out from the liquid water. And the consistency of our lip balm is very nice, very good, as you can see. So fill it our container with this lip balm, and now you can use it directly. But if you want to use as a market, which we get from it, so we can refrigerate it for about 30 minutes, and we can use this approximately 2 weeks also. For making the lip balm using Vaseline petroleum jelly, we need the Vaseline petroleum jelly, one vitamin E capsule. Third is beetroot juice. It is very beneficial, and so you can use it as optional. And after that we will mix it into the container. So first of all I take the 1 teaspoon of Vaseline petroleum jelly from the Vaseline petroleum jelly container, and after that I put the 1 vitamin E capsule into it. And then I put the beetroot juice, that is a half teaspoon of beetroot juice, and you can use up to 1 teaspoon of beetroot juice. And if you want another color in your lip balm, you can use your lipstick, or you can use your old lipstick, the from which you want the color, that lip balm. So after that we will mix it into the container. So for mixing it we need the liquid water. So we take the liquid water and put this mixture into the put this container which contains the mixture into the water. So for about 1 minute we will mix it up to the until that mixture will take the liquid form. And you can see after in approximately 30 seconds and 1 minute, up to 1 minute, it takes the liquid form. So after it takes liquid form, we will take off the this container from the water. So, and you can see that our liquid form of Vaseline petroleum jelly, vitamin E capsule and beetroot juice mixture is ready right now. And we will put this into the container here. So here is the lip balm. See, as you can see, this is a Chukundar and Desi ghee lip balm. So we will take this. See what the difference. See guys, what's the difference? There's already a, I think, don't think so. That's a very good effective lip balm, and right. So this is a very beneficial lip balm, and you can see it. It already looks so good. You can see that when we apply this lip balm, it's a very, my lips are very dry and very decolorized, but now it looks that I applied almost lipstick, right? So this you and this lip balm is very beneficial because Chakundar is very good bleaching agent as for our lips become very pinky, and the desi ghee is very good from all of this, because desi ghee always decolorize the blackest side from your lips, from your edges of the lips, and from the lips also. So you should definitely try this, and you will see the results in only 7 days. And this lip balm is approximately only, I don't think so, 5 rupees, because desi ghee is almost available in every house, and the chakundar only half 2 teaspoon of chakundar we use it. So you can see the effect of this lip balm on my face, so you can use it. And if guys, our next lip balm of using Vaseline, beetroot juice, and the vitamin E capsule is ready. So I take it out from the refrigerator after 15 minutes, and now we will see how it look like. Okay, so till then you can see the Vaseline lip balm look like this. Yeah, which we made using the chukunder, that's the beetroot juice, and the vitamin capsules, and the Vaseline. So let's try how it looks. Some pinkish color, and it's look very natural, very glowing, and very beneficial because it includes the vitamin A capsule, which is very good for the for our skin. And vitamin E capsule is used for lighten our skin. So vitamin E capsule is very beneficial, and it will lighten our lips color. That will, it sometimes our lips is black in the at the edges, so it will lighten the color of the our lips. And you can use this lip balm, you can use this Vaseline lip balm throughout a day, approximately 2 to 3 times in a day, and you will see the result, magical result. You can use it at the daytime, at the right time, before sleep, and you will see the magic. So we make the 2 lip balms using the ghee, which shows the very reddish color as we show that. And the second is the Vaseline, that's a reddish and the pinkish lip balm. And don't don't and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you don't, if you still don't subscribe, please subscribe the channel, please like the video, and please share it, so that everyone can use it. And I need your support, I need your likes, I need your subscription. So please guys, please like it, please subscribe my channel, and please share it, and so that I will make the another DIY video of the lip balm. Okay, so till then, bye bye guys.